Ekor Kapatisi TV.
Admissions open for degree courses in St. Khasi College. Various VTC courses are offered along with majors in many subjects. Pay reasonable fees in installments. Meritorious students will be given fees concession.
Pinang up ang tayo nilay sampan pamitang yung kasunod dak mo ipat ayam ako ay karal mami use im nagamaram yung ipan ay sunod nilay yang tayo ban nagpan yung kasunod ladakim ay karak kubor Sohra ako yung paiba
Hadien Kynta tam bakilayalum Phyllaw juga District Council, ke Executive Committee juga Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, kalau Khot Kren ni kinong yalam juga kli nong sansyar juga Hima Sohra. Kani ke Khot kedai Hadien bagi pajba kli hala kli perta penrem, ya ke District Council ke bomsam lo aisanat yus im ubak Hima ke lejiat upa im marendors im. Ki pajba kilara iki plakat penrem ki jing perta penrem ki babun ya ke District Council harangkat ke jing dawa badai ben aino ya ke sanat.
Hajar sanad
Что?
Pidan dukan marbam, ndai. Compare la kabarin, kapapidi harut surok ni kabahe, kum ki restaurant, bat kiway, ni pishat roti, shat kiek, bat kiway, na kabenta kakoy kakya, jonggi patba, nong bam nong di. Patba pinyo kacing shania, naki, pidan kam bandon deka license, kapapaka, kabala itu dakaan, kata, ke Food Safety and Standards Act, Hajar Henril, link back ke section, lai puway, iway. Kamde ke be bapinyo ek license Phyllaw ban apply ke online link ba ke website fastcus.fssai.gov.in da ke bapi hap pan upload ru teki kod kisla badan kam kat kum ke jajing kam jong pi Phyllaw ru banyak kendo yaki designated officers lani food safety officers ke badan hak office terekam jong u lani ke district medical and health officer habaro ke district ke badan hamegalaya Like no, tang is Khasi Hills. Phyllaw ban let bed, siya ka office terekam jongki, ka Commissionerate of Food Safety, ke badan halawa lachumya. Nakabinta ka kot kakya kinong bam nong di. Lawan ra siya pi daga Commissionerate of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya, but balakirshan daga Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.